Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me here in our receiving area or formal living room or sitting area, whatever you want to call it. So hope you guys like it, and I'll be popping out once in a while to let you know what I'm doing and what products I'm using. Enjoy! Right now, I'm just going to use this Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminator to deodorize our carpet. I do this like twice a month or whenever it's needed. And then I'm going to just let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes before I vacuum the carpet again. While waiting, I'm going to wipe out some of my mirrored furniture using the Method glass cleaner and a rug.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us.
Now I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's Mom's Fall Scent to wipe out every surfaces that needs to be wiped out.
Every touch and getting high on love. We're invincible. Trust in me. We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible. We're invincible. Let's escape the gray and let the colors rain. Turn the shit we do and our words into pure reality. 'Cause you and me are meant to be what they don't see. Never feeling wrong 'cause we don't belong. And getting high in love, we're invincible. Trust in me, we're invincible. Don't you see, we're invincible. We're invincible.
That's it, guys. Hope you guys like the video and give it a thumbs up, and hope you got the motivation that you needed for this day. So see you on our next one. Bye!